Hi everyone, this is my weekly response video for Mr. Barnes' this book, and I will answer the following 6 questions. So let's go to the first one. The most meaningful aspect was the transformation of a pop culture artifact into foundation myth. The specific and strange revealing moment was the Act 3 finale, where the Simpsons Cape Fear episode has become a ritualistic, moralistic opera, portraying Mr. Barnes as a demonic figure. This shows how memory and story are malleable and are shaped to meet the current needs of a society. In this case, creating a shared mythology to explain a traumatic past. And for second question, I will share 2 values. The first one is survival. This is the immediate practical priority. Example 1, the intense bargaining over antibiotics and clean water in Act 1. And the second is the creation of a new economy in Act 2, where the ability to recall and perform commercials is a currency for basic necessities. And the value 2 is cultural preservation. So this is the long-term spiritual concern. The first example, the meticulous, high-stakes effort to reconstruct the Simpsons episode from collective memory. And example 2 is the evolution of this reconstruction into a full-scale, stylized musical performance that serves as a communal history lesson and ritual. And the third question, I would like to pick word post-electric. It means more than just the loss of power. It signifies the collapse of the entire framework of modern civilization, communication, recorded history, instant access to information. So, understanding this reveals the play's central question. What remains of humanity and its culture when its technological crutch is violently kicked away? So the answer the play argues is live, communal storytelling. As for the fourth question, value of television. It is represented as the shared cultural text, the scripture of the old world that provides the raw material for new myth. It's passive, consumed artifact. And value of theater. It is presented as active, living, and essential. Theater is the medium of community, adaptation, and meaning-making. It is how a society processes trauma, preserves memory, and builds a new identity together. Humans are compelled to tell stories, to make sense of chaos, to create order from trauma, and to build community. For the characters, storytelling is first a comfort, a connection to the lost world, then a commodity, a means of survival, and finally a creed. And the last question, I got 2 questions. So the first one is the final act's ritual a hopeful sign of civilization rebuilding, or a terrifying reflection that we are doomed to commercialize and weaponize our stories again? And the second one is, could a pop culture artifact from our time, like Marvel movie, ritual TikTok trend, realistically become the basis for a future society's mythology? Why or why not?